a sickness. I have a sick. I cannot stop. I cannot stop shopping. I have a sickness. Okay, shopaholic steal of a deals. Okay, we got another Sunday shopaholic steal of a deal. Steal of a deal, you guys. This time we're doing some unboxings from RealReals. So we're gonna do some Sunday secondhand shopaholic savings with you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick secondhand shopping steal of a deal, Sunday steal of a deal, secondhand shoppings, savings from RealReal. So we're gonna do this unboxing. It's a few clothes and a bag type item that I am really excited about to see. And also, yeah, okay, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Like I said, I've posted so many videos of this. I love sustainable shopping, especially for clothes. I think I'm gonna buy all my clothes now secondhand. I love it. It's easy and it's great and it's fabulous and it's saving so much money, and I can repurpose that money, girl mathing, to other things that I want to spend full price on from the store, right? So I'm saving, and that saving is spending, and then that spending is investing because I'm investing in bags, and those bags are investments that will grow and appreciate in value for the rest of my and then go on to my kids. Okay, all right, so here we are. I'll do this unboxing on the RealReal, on the TikTok, and then I'll come back, okay? Bye. So we got some 3 things for the RealReals. I already unboxed them onto the TikTok. So they are awesome. Okay, so the first thing, you guys, is this shirt from Loewe. It's a big black oversized shirt with like this, I don't know what this detail is over here, but it's like this detail halfway through. It says Loewe right there. And it's like one of those oversized row type shirts with the big arms. Okay, that's 1. 2, this other Loewe hoodie. I'll find the prices and I will insert them in, okay? Not hoodie, sweater, pink, lavender with a little Loewe sign there. I die. And then my favorite little purchase is this little pouch. Okay, it's from For La Page, which if you know For La Page, it's kind of like another brand that's a French brand that's very popular, but a little underrated. It's kind of has dragon scales like Goyard and stuff like that. It's like Goyard, kind of, but like Goyard and Moignat, but like it's got its own pattern and dragon scales and a little different heritage. 1717, so it's older than both. And this is the limited edition black and red collection, which I think they did in 2021 with gold hardware. It's got this, and it's got a little strap. I don't know where that strap went. The strap's in here. So it's got the black and red, little pull tab, gold hardware, little D-ring, 1 pocket inside, says For La Page. Sorry, I'm going really quickly because I gotta go. My mom is waiting for me. And this little wristlet. Do we love? I want to say it was like 300 or 400 instead of like 8 or 9 or 1,000. Leather, canvas. Okay, that's all I got. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, okay? I'll do part 2 because it was a big order, so this is the first part. I'll get the second part later. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it through your mixes. I know your time is valuable and I appreciate it. So when you hear me, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.